These are the only trades you need to know about today, starting with number 10 in ISIS Pharmaceuticals. The California drug company has won U.S. marketing approval for their drug that treats a rare disease that leads to life-threatening cholesterol levels. One analyst predicts the treatment may generate $400 million in peak sales. Sheila?
Number 9 is Phillips 66, the largest U.S. independent refiner, beating fourth quarter profit estimates as the margin between oil costs and fuel prices widen. Shares, which have 13 buy ratings and 8 holds from analysts, have risen 83% since its spinoff from ConocoPhillips. Alex?
Number 8, also staying with oil, we're going with Hess, the oil company that's exiting refining and has been urged by an investor to split its production units. Reported fourth quarter net income of $566 million as output increased, missing analyst estimates. Dom.
Well, from oil to technology, I'm here in Lower Manhattan at Research in Motion's Blackberry 10 launch event. In just about a half an hour, we're going to see the new Blackberry 10 smartphone. Research in Motion is pitting a lot of hopes on this, and there's a bit of optimism right now. Shares are set to open just slightly, Betty, in the green.
Just a half an hour away from that event, Dom. And at number 6 is Zynga, the largest maker of social games, saying goodbye to its chief game designer, Brian Reynolds, as he departs the company. Zynga has lost more than a dozen top managers as slowing demand has caused the company's share price to drop 74% since the peak earlier this year. Sheila?
Number 5 is Netflix. Shares of the world's largest online video subscription service are poised to open in the green this morning, yet again extending those gains from yesterday of about 4%. The company refinanced outstanding debt, also boosting funds for film and television shows. Investors clearly liking that move. Alex?
All right, let's check out number 4, which is Boeing. The airplane maker is forecasting net income for the year will be around $5 a share. That is matching analyst estimates, despite the grounding of its Dreamliner, which hasn't flown in over 2 weeks as investigators examine that faulty battery. Dom.
Well, Alex, number 3 is Chesapeake Energy, the big natural gas company, because CEO and co-founder Aubrey McClendon is stepping down from the company after Carl Icahn, the activist investor, led a battle over this company. This is about Aubrey McClendon's personal loans that topped $840 million, those loans being secured by stakes in those wells, company-owned wells. So we're watching those for sure, Sheila.
Number 2 is Facebook. The world's largest social network is expected to benefit from its push into mobile advertising. Analysts estimate that the company's fourth quarter revenue will be 34% higher when earnings report is released after the closing bell. Betty?
And talk about earnings, guys. Number 1 is the stock Amazon. The world's largest internet retailer is keeping a larger portion of its record $21 billion in fourth quarter sales, with the company's North American profit margin coming in at 5%, over 60% higher than just a year ago, as the company's investment in new warehouses begins to pay off. For Amazon, it is all about the margins.